In this video, we're going to show you how you can enable or disable WinLock, also known as turning the Windows key on or off. If you do find videos like this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. And of course, make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions. We could definitely help you out there. But WinLock essentially prevents the Windows key from working, which can be very useful while gaming to avoid accidentally minimizing your game. There's actually a few different ways that you could turn this on or off depending on your keyboard. For example, you could press the FN key and the Windows key together, and this will actually turn off that Windows button. As you can see right now, I'm actually spamming the Windows button and it's not working, but if I actually hit it again, I can open up the Windows settings just like that. On some keyboards, also pressing FN plus F10 might also disable WinLock or enable it as well. In my case, it opens up Google Chrome, just keep that in mind. If your keyboard does have a dedicated WinLock key, which is usually located up at the very top, you can also simply go ahead and press that to toggle it. But yeah, it really is as simple as this. There's just a bunch of keyboard commands that you're going to want to go ahead and use. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.